Hi, welcome back to our channel Hard2Set Pro, and today I'm going to teach you how to use Superwhisper application on your iPhone 17 Pro. So if you're tired of typing long emails, notes or messages, then Superwhisper can completely change the way you work. So let's open Superwhisper application on my iPhone. And first of all, the very first thing that you have to do in the very beginning is pick a mode. So tap here in the bottom left corner of your screen and you will see 4 default modes that Superwhisper provides you. So let's dive into that and I'll explain what each mode does. Email mode, which is the first one, formats your dictation into a polished and professional email with proper greetings and all that kind of structure. Then you have message mode, which converts your speech into quick and casual text messages. Then the third one is note mode. It basically captures your ideas or thoughts in a clean and organized note format. And the last one is voice mode, that transcribes your speech, but it keeps every single word exactly as you say for maximum accuracy. So decide which one works out the best for you, for your specific goal that you want to pursue, and let me choose, for example, an email, and I will show you on visual example how it should look like. So all you have to do is just tap this red button and start speaking naturally, just as if you would start talking to your friend. So I'll dictate now a quick email and you see how it works. Hey, I'm just checking in about our project timeline, and let's aim to finish the first draft by next Wednesday so that we had some time to review before the client's meeting, and let me know if that works for you. And of course, end recording by again tapping this red button. And as you can see, Superwhisper instantly turned my voice into this clean and readable text. You just have to talk and let the application do all the work for you. So yeah, that's basically it. And now the fun part is that you can customize your prompts. So in the settings, which are located in the top right corner of your screen, you have to go to modes section and go to specific mode that you want to customize, for example, email, and find section that says prompt. So tap here, and this is the prompt that is set by default by Superwhisper application. So actually you can edit it right here simply by tapping on it, and you can erase some kind of information that you don't need, or you can completely erase everything and write your own ideal prompt, or you can look up to internet and look what other people use for their prompts. So basically in those prompts section you have to tell Superwhisper how you want your text to look like. For example, you can add some instructions like always summarize in bullet points or use casual tone, etc. So whatever that you have, that you basically want to have in your texts. And once your prompt is set, every time you dictate to Superwhisper, it will follow those instructions automatically. And additionally, if I go back here, I can see the button that says create new mode. So you can actually create a new mode from scratch if none of the defaults fit your workflow. So you can select type of the new mode that you want to set. So set custom, give it a name, and tap create button. And of course, set some prompts to it so that it follows some instructions. Yes, so let's go back here, and the one thing important that I wanted to mention, that if you want to transcribe pre-recorded files like any kind of meetings, lectures, or even YouTube videos, that feature is unfortunately only available with a Pro subscription. But actually I have a cheat code for you that on iPhone you can still do live dictation and capture your voice in real time. So you can put your iPhone nearby your another device and play a meeting that you want to summarize, and basically Superwhisper will give that summary to you. And to subscribe and to have basically this pro subscription, you have to tap this gear icon, which is settings, and find this line that says Superwhisper Pro, and here you can see different plans that you can subscribe to. So if you want to do that, you just have to tap continue button and proceed with all the steps. And finally, when you're done with your text, you can copy it to your notes or any other application that you want to send this text to. So just tap this send button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and from here you can copy your text, or for example you can save it to your files if you want to be organized with your those summaries and notes, and also some other iOS applications that you can use to share your message. So if you want to write faster, stay organized, and customize your workflow, then Superwhisper on your iPhone is a total game changer for you. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.